Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can download, install WhatsApp application in our computer, in our laptop and in Windows operating system. Okay, let's start. Open your start menu. Just right here Microsoft Store. Open your Microsoft Store app. Now search here WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp, right? Now it's already open. Now we will click on get to download WhatsApp application, right? Get. Now it will take a couple of seconds to complete the downloading process. Now you can see that our downloading process is already completed. If you want, you can just click on open, and otherwise you can just open your start menu and just search for WhatsApp. You can see that our WhatsApp is already downloaded. Now click on WhatsApp. Now you can see that is already open. Now we will click on get started, and now we will scan our QR code with our mobile WhatsApp application, right? So I will open my WhatsApp with my phone. I will open my WhatsApp and I will scan this QR code. You can see that I already scanned the QR code and I will connect my WhatsApp. Now you can see that my WhatsApp is in progress. Oh, okay, you can see that my WhatsApp is already login. So now I can use my WhatsApp with my computer, with my laptop and so on. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.